Hi people, I'm Oleg Bardyan, the founder of YouTube channel Pipl Systems. For over 17 years I have been working in the security systems industry, together with my colleagues from different countries like the US, Canada, Ukraine, Germany, UK, Poland and more. We create reviews and tutorials about professional security equipment, including IP cameras, wireless and wireless alarm systems and access controls of various brands. I want to share with you an exciting project called the International Professional Security Community, or IPSC for short. The IPSC is a platform where specialists in video surveillance, alarm systems, access control systems, intercom systems can receive technical support or share their own knowledge and experience. We have created a chat on WhatsApp where engineers and security business owners from around the world can join and discuss any questions they have. The best part is we are all helping each other for free. If you are watching our YouTube videos and have technical questions, the IPSC is a perfect place to ask for help. It is a supportive community where we are all passionate about security systems. Joining the IPSC means you will have access to this chat, where you can connect with engineers or security business owners just like yourself. We discuss various topics, share insights and help each other. If you are a security systems specialist, engineer or business owner, I invite you to join the international professional security community today. Together we can enhance our skills, support one another and contribute to the advancement of security industry. Thank you for watching this video about the international professional security community. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel Pipl Systems and click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. We look forward to welcoming you in the IPSC.